everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 620 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out the Ipsy and Betty Boop collection blush palette. It's the Cheek to Cheek. So I just got this in my October Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate box, which is so exciting. It's the first time that Ipsy has done their Ultimate box, which is a $50 a month subscription. But if you haven't seen my unboxing of that, I will have that video linked down below. You definitely want to check out all of the exciting products that came in that box. And this one right here is one of the products that I am so excited about because it is so my taste. So you get 3 huge blushes. Well, I think this one may be a highlighter or just like a layer on top of the blushes. And let's see, they have some cute names. This one must be called Your Peach, All Dolled Up, and Heartbreaker. And so it does have a large mirror. Let me just go ahead and swatch each shade before I decide which ones I want to wear on my cheeks today. Oh, so pretty. This has, I hope it can show on camera, almost like a holographic pink reflection. That is so pretty. That's going to be a beautiful blush topper. I think it's a little bit too pink for a highlighter, for my skin tone at least. But then let's see what this one is. Ooh, this one has gold shimmer to it. Some more of that golden shift. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, I love that one too. This is going to be such a hard decision. And then this shade is a matte shade, and this is the type of blush color that I use on a daily basis. It's kind of like a, how would I say, like a natural sun-kissed shade, a little bit mauve, not too bright. And I love the texture of these powders. They're very creamy feeling powders, which swatched so evenly and nicely. Okay, I'm just going to go for it. I think I'm going to try and incorporate all 3 colors into the look, but I love that this has the mirror on it. That makes this perfect for traveling. This seriously feels like such nice high-end packaging. And so I'm gonna start out by picking up the matte shade here. So I'm gonna try and go in with a light hand so that I can actually kind of layer up all 3 colors. And I'm just using my blush brush from Ulta Beauty. It's very soft. And this is blending out beautifully. I went in with as light of a hand as I could, and I'm really liking this soft flush of color. It looks very even on the skin. That natural sun-kissed shade, I think, just looks very natural, which I really like for an everyday look. But let's step it up a little bit by picking up this shade here, which has that gold shift to it. Oh yes, I can tell that this is giving some nice glow to the skin. So there's the difference. You've got a little bit more amped up color, and I feel like there's a little bit more of like that shine, healthy radiance to the skin. But this blush, it's not too shimmery that it looks, you know, obvious that there's sparkles all over my cheeks. It really just looks glowy. Like, I'm looking up close and I'm barely noticing any sparkle on my skin, which is what I want. I don't want to have too much glitter sparkle on my cheeks. I want it to just look like this is a natural glowy blush. So I'm loving how this blush looks. Like, this is how I would leave my blush with a makeup look like I have today. So I do have more of a less natural makeup look because I have some like glitter on my eyes today. So I feel like this level of blush is perfect, but I'm not gonna stop there. I'm going to sweep on top of this blush a little bit of that, oh yes, that reflective pink shimmer. That looks great. Okay, I thought that I wanted to stop here, that would be the perfect level of blush, but no. I love all three of these blushes worn at the same time. I actually thought that would be too much, but no, this looks great because now there's even more of a glow to the skin, but nothing too, you know, crazy looking. I didn't put on any highlighter yet, and I don't even feel like I need the highlighter because I have that shine radiance on my skin and on the cheekbones to help bring up the cheekbones. I love this. Oh, I am so happy with how these blushes look. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. I am so obsessed with this blush palette, and that every single shade worked so great with the look that I wanted to do. I feel like that doesn't happen with blushes. Usually a blush palette, I'll use like one or two of the shades, and when some of those shades just never get used. This palette, every single shade is going to get used almost every single day. I love this. This is absolutely going to be my new blush that I use, and perfect for travel or just throwing in my purse, because my skin tone, I definitely have like a cool undertone, and I feel like I need to have blush on at all times to help even out the redness in my skin. So this is going to be perfect to bring along with me. Yay, so excited. I love this Betty Boop and Ipsy collection. If you've tried this palette, I would love to know your thoughts on it in the comments down below. And if you've tried anything else from this Betty Boop and Ipsy collection, let me know your thoughts if there's any other products that you really love. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.